What's up guys, my name is Anthony Sung and today we're going to be working on my Lexus Is350. Today we're going to be installing Vlan taillights and it should be a pretty simple and easy install. It's probably going to be mostly plug and play, so let me show you what they look like. So right here are the brand new taillights for the Is350. It gives it a really modern look to it. It's usually just plug and play, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so first we're going to be taking out these clips right here, right there, and there to get to the back part. And then we're going to be taking out the 10 volts. And then we're going to be taking out this one right here, and then we can just pull it back. So if you don't have this tool right here, you're going to have to use a flathead and be a bitch, alright, and take these out. It's going to be hella hard. And then right after that, you're going to have to take back this carpet right here, and then you're going to have to undo the clips right here, and then take out the taillights. Alright, so we're going to grab this flathead right here, and then we're going to take out this tab right here. These tabs, I don't know if you can see it right here. Alright. Hey, redo that. Oh, what the fuck? I just got it out! Oh shit. Here. Shut out. Pull this fucker out like that. And then take the clip out. Right here. And there you go.
Alright, explain to them what you're doing.
Alright, so we're gonna use a 10mm socket to get rid of, take off the rear tail lights. See?
Those are only 2 up to 3.
So then you're gonna want to take out these bolts right here. There's one right there, and 2 on the side right here, and then just pry it off and put the new ones in.
So what are we holding like?
Alright, so here we have the left side on, and so today we're gonna be installing the Vlan headlights. Today, right now, we're gonna head over to Frank's house, or the twins' house, and then we're gonna get it done. So yeah. All right, so let's get today started, and then let's go. And let's go. All right, so right now we're at the twins' house, and then we're gonna install the new headlights.
Who's watching?
Just watching? Oh, that's fucked up. All right, so I'm gonna get this shit out. Put you down real quick. So here we have the old headlights right now. This is what they look like, OEM. And these are the new ones right here. Let's see what they look like. Hold up.
Vlan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, make sure we get my address in here though, right?
Yeah, I got you, man. So these are the new ones right here. What do you think, Tommy?
Clean, bro. I like them.
Hella clean.
How much were they?
They were 600.
Not bad.
Look at that. Ooh, they look really good on the IS.
The harness?
Shit. I think that's probably. I think add a fuse or there's some other. I think that, like there's some other stuff that comes in it. But yeah, we'll let you guys know. Be right back.
Because I need him to throw away stuff from me.
All right, so right now we're gonna open the hood and then take off the front bumper. It should be pretty easy, but not too sure yet. Shit. What the fuck? There you go. Alright, so first we're gonna be taking out all these tabs right here and then get to the front bumper. I guess the bolts, I guess. It should come off. You just literally push it down right here. Down here. Here and here. Here, it should pop out. Oh shit. So these should just come off pretty easily. Oh shit. Fuck. See? So literally you just push it down right here. It should pop out.
Simping. Oh, I'm right there. Hold up.
Oh yo, fuck.
Oh, I got you right here. Let me record it.
Yeah. What else? Right.
You need gloves?
Probably.
Alright, cool. I don't got any. You need like a tray? I can give you the magnet.
Give me a tray.
Yeah.
Hella dirty. It should be hella dirty, bro. Like, what the fuck? What the hell?
Hey, good thing about the Versa. Good thing about the Versa, bro. What's up, YouTube? Hey. What's up, boy?
What's up, man?
Hold on, let me finish.
We're gonna take out this 10mm bolt right here. And then what else do we take out? Shit. We'll find that out.
2 bolts on the bottom.
Right here, I think. I think this.
Alright, Tony, what are we doing now?
Alright, so then we took out the 10mm bolt right here, and then we'll be taking out this, what is it called? I don't know what it's called, but like
that's a Phillips screw.
Yeah, Phillips screw.
With like a grommet around it.
Yeah, and then just unscrew it right here and right here. And then what else? I think on something on the headliner on the side.
So there's yeah, 2 things on the headliner, 2 flathead screws that hold in the fender liner to the bumper. So you're gonna take that out.
Yeah, these 2.
So basically you gotta remove the bumper to install new headlights on the car. So that gotta go.
Just take it out, right?
Yeah.
You some damn quick release, man.
Honestly, just get a quick release. You only need to undo the rubber band off.
Something about the quick release is different. It's like a tab right here.
I don't like it. It looks a little.
It's like 2 tabs.
Alright, so how do you take those little?
We're gonna screw this. Oh shit! Oh. All right. So we're gonna screw this to the left right here. It's like a key outside, and then pull it out pretty much. So there's 2 right here, and then 2 on the other side. All right. So then to take out this 10mm bolt right here, you're gonna want to pull back this liner, and then there should be one right here. I'm gonna pull this bitch back. Fuck. Put y'all down. So right here, we're gonna pull this back, and then there should be a 10 right there, right here, and just take it out. Go right under here. Okay. And then also to take off the bumper, there's screws on the bottom. I think around 5 on the bottom that you're gonna have to screw. Take it out, and then it should really just pop off. And that's pretty much it. Right. My car without front bumper. Looks pretty cool, huh? So for this, we're gonna be taking off the 10mm bolts, which is one right here, up here, and then on the side, right here.
Yeah, right there.
And then we're gonna take out the bracket to be used for these headlights, because then they don't come with it.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin mixed.
Alright, Tony, you do it. Pop it off.
We got all the 3 10mm out, and just pop it out.
And then you're gonna wiggle this out and just pull it.
Damn, that fresh cut.
I don't want you to break it.
It's okay. You gotta be a little rough on your car sometimes.
Oh.
It didn't break, bro.
Yo, bro, a rock came out.
Oh.
It didn't break, bro. You gotta be less gentle with your car sometimes. You gotta give her some rough time.
Too scared, bro.
Yeah,
Don't
like
want to be
rough.
too rough, you know what I'm saying? And then after that, you're gonna want to take off this connector right here. And then for the bracket, there's 3 screws on the bottom. Should be right here. 1, 2, and then the third one's right here. So
Yeah, you're only gonna need to transfer the bracket over.
you pull this back, right?
All the way down.
So you're gonna pull that white little bracket thing. It just, you know, keeps the connector in place. You pull up, give a little force, man. It's on there tight. Thing's on hella tight. You just push it all the way back, and then the clip should just pull out.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go. Easy like that, bro. You just push the bracket back, and then it releases it from the clip where it's in. Now that you got the headlight off, you just take off that bracket that positions the headlight in the right place.
And then we're gonna reuse these screws too. Don't forget, because in Vlan, they're cheap as hell. They don't come with the other ones.
Cheap as hell, man.
I mean, they're $600.
$700.
OEM for these.
Nothing for him.
1,000.
They only give it to nice looking cars. This way.
That's fucked up.
What's the next mod? We got wheels over there. You know,
Build 2 later.
you think don't zoom in?
It
But
does.
wheels.
He said weird.
How does it? Let's pull.
See this?
Oh, this zooms it in?
Yeah. You pull.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What's next mod? Wheels.
Keep this up.
Alright, so for the Vlands, you have to have this. They give you a cable where it includes 2 fuses, so you just take out the one from your driver's side all the way to the one up top, and then you route the fuses for the headlights, one for the driver's side, and then this one right here, we tucked it under the intake little thing, the intake thing, and then it goes right here and it plugs into the headlight. So
basically, this is for AFS, and it gets rid of it because like these don't have it. And yeah, so you just plug it in right here. Just clip in that, and then that's
clips in, and then you just do the connector after.
Clicked.
Yeah, clicked.
And then push this back down. It should pull it in. See?
All right.
And then it's in.
That's
That's
it.
pretty much it.
All right, and then you just put the headlight back in, and then put the bolts back on. Wait,
We're gonna have to tuck
wrap this under. take it off and route it under.
Okay.
Alright, so now that you got everything connected, you're just gonna wanna you can just put the headlight on, get it in place, and get the 3 bolts that were on there, and then just put it back on. You can always adjust fitment, just leave the bolts in, like, you know, screwed in, but not tell it tight, and adjust the fitment of the headlight however you want it.
It goes under here, right?
It goes up on top. So that thing just goes on top of it. This thing goes on top of this bracket.
And then there's one on the side, right?
And the one on the side, and then it's already in place. You just get the screws and put it in.
You get the bolts.
Alright, so right now you're just gonna want to put back the 10mm bolts.
And the tie rod?
One right here, one up here, one on the side.
I'm pretty sure it's just all this stuff.
It's not in correctly, bro. So right now we're gonna have to push up the headlight up to get perfect fitment, and so we can make sure no water gets into it and mess up this.
Let me show them where it is.
We're gonna have to push it up right here to make sure it's like good fitment right here, and then just tighten it as you go. Usually we tighten it all together, not one at a time, so it doesn't get all messed up. So yeah.
What's the last one?
Over here.
Alright, we're just about ready to get the bumper on. One final step.
Here's some more for y'all. Ooh,
That shit looks fire. The other side. Get that off. Let me get you a shot before the bumper's on. God damn. We'll turn on the lights for you and everything after we put the bumper in, get everything on.
Alright, what's up guys, what's up YouTube? We're back and we just finished the installation of the headlights. And here's how they look. Look pretty damn good. They look really updated. I need to change the fog lights because they're pretty old. Turn on the hazards. Hold on. Alright, so do left stick. Yeah, there we go. So this is how it looks with the hazards on.
Fucking sick.
Turn off the hazards. And then this is how it is with the daylight running lights. And they look pretty aggressive, not gonna lie. What do you think of them? Good?
Best purchase you got for the car.
Yes, sir. So, yep, we're gonna go around, probably do some rollers or maybe, I don't know, we'll see.
You know I'm gon' blast off. In a Bentley trucking, I be going so fast. I don't care, bloody bottles like a demon. Put some VVs on my neck and now I'm freezing. Yeah, I'm freezing. You know I'm gon'